Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick video on a little bit about my story and how I got to where I am right now. Now, as you can see, I'm in a little extra room here in my place, and you can see, don't mind the clutter. There's a small bed here, covered in new work clothes, because I just got the job offer. Hey folks, my name is Patrick Hesser, and I'm with Core Realty in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Now, I had just moved back here to Philadelphia, where I do consider home. Don't worry, I'm not an Eagles fan. From Manhattan in last November, so November of 2019. Now, Philadelphia is where I first started my real estate journey. It's where I made my home. Thought it would be best to come back and start my career again here. So, being here in November, I had started to set up some interviews, some calls, things like that. But with Thanksgiving and then Christmas and then you get the New Year, it was going to be delayed a little bit. So I didn't really make any in-person interviews until early January, so the start of the New Year. And then, as we all know, some things were looking good. And then, as we all know, we got hit with what we're calling a pandemic with COVID-19, and beginning of March, everything got shut down in Philly. My interviews were either canceled or delayed into the abyss. Nobody really knew, which was understandable. Nobody really knew when they would be back in the office, if they were still going to hire after this. So we've been dealing with all those, everybody's been dealing with, some health problems, some economic problems, unemployment. It's been a crazy time. I started to lose a little bit of hope. Months go by, March, April, May, and I finally start getting a few bites. And it's interesting because I was in residential. That's where I started. The most interesting one to me was a property manager and leasing agent position. I thought there was a lot of ways I could take that if I pursued that as a career. So I did. And I went along with it. I went on the interviews. I liked it more and more and more. But, I thought, I don't exactly know what goes into being a property manager and a leasing agent. So I'm going on YouTube, typing it in, and, hey, Matt shows up. He's got this light blue suit on. And at first I'm going, who is this guy? And I went from saying, who is this guy, to, yeah, I got to go get that suit. So, me getting the job offer, I attribute it largely to Matt Easton and Leasing University and the courses that they have that you can follow step by step. They're perfect. It puts into perspective a lot about how it's not about me as a leasing agent. It's about them. They are the ones trying to find a new home. How to be more personable, confident when you're speaking with them, just pleasant all around. And to find their needs and wants. Those are the biggest takeaways I got from it. And it worked. It worked. They loved me, I loved them. They gave me the job offer. As you can see, again, brand new clothes. I'm excited to wear them. I start in a couple days. Again, Matt, Leasing University. I owe it all to you guys. I really do. And in one of Matt's videos with Leasing University, he puts on the bottom or something like that, he put his cell phone. He's like, text me. I'm like, okay. So I text him. I'm on a bus coming back from Manhattan to Philly, and I text him, and I'm expecting some automated text response sending me to some website that's being run by a robot. I don't know. Like 10, 15 minutes later, text me back. Just him. So he takes the time to reach out to you, get to know you, help you with the process. He cares. It's unbelievable. It's really great. And again, largely in part to Leasing University and Matt Easton is why I am here with the opportunity that I have now with Core Realty in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. If you are ever in Philadelphia, need a new place to live, ask Matt for Patrick Hesser's contact number, and I'm here to help.
The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense. Even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.